Can command line arguments be converted into int automatically if required? A. Yes. B. No. C. Compiler dependent. D. Only ASCII characters can be converted. Correct answer B. No. All command line arguments are passed as a string. We must convert numerical value to their internal forms manually. Which of these is not a correct statement? A. A recursive method must have a base case. B. Recursion always uses stack. C. Recursive methods are faster than programmers' written loop to call the function repeatedly using a stack. D. Recursion is managed by Java runtime environment. Correct answer D. Recursion is managed by Java runtime environment. Recursion is always managed by operating system. What will be the output of the following Java program? Command line execution is done as Java output. This is a command line. A. Java. B. Is. C. This. D. Command. Correct answer D. Command. What will be the output of the following Java program? A. 1. B. 2. C. Runtime error. D. Compilation error. Correct answer D. Compilation error. Main method must be made public. Without main being public, Java runtime system will not be able to access main and will not be able to execute the code. Which of these can be used to differentiate two or more methods having the same name? A. Parameters data type. B. Number of parameters. C. Return type of method. D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer D. All of the mentioned. Which of these can be overloaded? A. Methods. B. Constructors. C. All of the mentioned. D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer C. All of the mentioned. Will this Java program generate same output is executed again? A. Yes. B. No. C. Compiler dependent. D. Operating system dependent. Correct answer B. No. There is no relation between random numbers generated previously in Java. How to read a class path file? A. B. C. D. Correct answer C. This method can be used to load files using relative path to the package of the class. Which of the following is true about Java system properties? A. Java system properties are accessible by any process. B. Java system properties are accessible by processes they are added to. C. Java system properties are retrieved by system.getUnv. D. Java system properties are set by system.setUnv. Correct answer B. Java system properties are accessible by processes they are added to. Which of the following is not true about Java Beans? A. Implements java.io.serializable interface. B. Extends java.io.serializable class. C. Provides no argument constructor. D. Provides setter and getter methods for its properties. Answer B. Extends java.io.serializable class. Java.io.serializable is not a class. Instead, it is an interface. Hence, it cannot be extended. What is use of wildcards? A. It is used in cases when type being operated upon is not known. B. It is used to make code more readable. C. It is used to access members of superclass. D. It is used for type argument of generic method. Correct answer A. It is used in cases when type being operated upon is not known. The wildcard can be used in a variety of situations, as the type of a parameter, field, or local variable, sometimes as a return type, though it is better programming practice to be more specific. The wildcard is never used as a type argument for a generic method invocation, a generic class instance creation, or a supertype. Which are the session tracking techniques? 1. URL rewriting. 2. Using session object. 3. Using response object. 4. Using hidden fields. 5. Using cookies. 6. Using servlet object. A. 1, 2, 3 and 6. B. 1, 2, 4 and 5. C. 1, 6, 3 and 5. D. 1, 2, 3 and 5. Correct answer B. 1, 2, 4 and 5. URL rewriting, using session object, using cookies, using hidden fields are session tracking techniques. Which of these statements is incorrect about thread? A. Start method is used to begin execution of the thread. B. Run method is used to begin execution of a thread before start method in special cases. C. A thread can be formed by implementing runnable interface only. D. A thread can be formed by a class that extends thread class. Correct answer B. Run method is used to begin execution of a thread before start method in special cases. Run method is used to define the code that constitutes the new thread. It contains the code to be executed. Start method is used to begin execution of the thread, that is execution of run. Run itself is never used for starting execution of the thread. What will be the output of the following Java code? A. 257. B. 256. C. 1. D. 0. Correct answer C. 1. I.byte value method returns the value of wrapper I as a byte value. I is 257, range of byte is 256, therefore I value exceeds byte range by 1, hence 1 is returned and stored in X. What will be the output of the following Java code snippet? A. The snippet compiles and runs, but does not print anything. B. The snippet compiles, runs and prints 0. C. The snippet compiles, runs and prints 1. D. The snippet does not compile. Correct answer A. The snippet compiles and runs, but does not print anything. As no argument is passed to the code, the length of args is 0. So the code will not print. What is the valid data type for variable A to print hello world? A. int and float. B. Byte and short. C. Char and long. D. Byte and char. Correct answer D. Byte and char. The switch condition would only meet if variable A is of type byte or char. What would be the output of the following code snippet if variable A equal to 10? A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1 and 3. D. 3. Correct answer D. 3. Since the first if condition is not met, control would not go inside if statement and hence only statement after the entire if block will be executed. Which of these methods return description of an exception? A. Get exception. B. Get message. C. Obtain description. D. Obtain exception. Correct answer B. Get message. What will be the output of the following Java code? A. Finally. B. Compilation fails. C. The code runs with no output. D. An exception is thrown at runtime. Correct answer A. Finally. Because finally will execute always. What exception thrown by parse-int method? A. Arithmetic exception. B. Class not found exception. C. Null pointer exception. D. Number format exception. Correct answer D. Number format exception. Parse-int method parses input into integer. The exception thrown by this method is number format exception. What will be the output of the following Java code? A. 0. B. Value stored in array 0. C. 5 times 0. D. Class name @hashcode in hexadecimal form. Correct answer D. Class name @hashcode in hexadecimal form. If we trying to print any reference variable internally, to string will be called which is implemented to return the string in following form. Class name @hashcode in hexadecimal form. What will be the output of the following Java program? A. 5656. B. 565. C. Runtime error. D. Compilation error. Correct answer D. Compilation error. Second print statement doesn't have access to y. Scope y was limited to the block defined after initialization of x. What does local time represent? A. Date without time. B. Time without date. C. Date and time. D. Date and time with time zone. Correct answer B. Time without date. Local time of Joda library represents time without date. What will be the output of the following Java program? A. 6469. B. 5459. C. 7889. D. 4369. Correct answer A. 6469. Index of C and last index of C are predefined functions which are used to get the index of first and last occurrence of the character pointed by C in the given array. What is the primary purpose of the local class in Java? A. To handle currency conversions. B. To manage different time zones. C. To represent a specific geographical, political, or cultural region. D. To change the layout of graphical components. Correct answer C. To represent a specific geographical, political, or cultural region. The local class in Java is used to represent a specific geographical, political, or cultural region, aiding in internationalizing applications.